students, how are you? Today we're going to learn the food and nutrition chapter part 2. Let's begin. Today we will learn this page, these two pages. We will cover today deficiency disease, milk is a complete food, balanced diet, water and roughage, and good eating habits. So let's start. First, protective food. As vitamins and minerals help our body to fight against a disease, the food containing these nutrients are called the protective food. Means the food which are rich in vitamins and minerals are called the protective food. They are required only in a small quantity but very much essential for our body. We need not to take so many vitamins or minerals. We just need small amount of them and they will do the work. Now you see the deficiency disease, a disease that is caused by the lack of nutrients in our body. Means if we do not take the required amount of vitamin and mineral, it can cause disease to our health. Next, do you drink milk every day? If yes, then good. If not, then you should drink because milk is a complete food. Let's see why. Milk is a complete food as it contains most of the important nutrients. Yes, milk contains protein, mineral, fat and vitamins. So by drinking only milk, you will be able to get protein, mineral, fats and vitamins at once. Milk help us to grow, give us energy and also protect our body against the diseases. That's why milk is very important food. Who can drink milk? Babies, adults, old people and sick people need milk. Means all the age group of people can drink milk. Okay students, next, diet. The food that we eat usually is called the diet. Means every day the foods we eat, they can be said as the diet. Next, balanced diet. See this picture and now read. The food that contains the correct amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called a balanced diet. Means by eating the food which can give you the protein, vitamin and minerals in a proper proportion, that can be a balanced diet. See the pictures, you will see the all kinds of foods are there. We need to eat different foods. We have said it earlier. These are the foods which can fulfill your body needs. Okay? Next, water and roughage. Water is an important drink for our body. Why? We will know it. About 70% of our body is made up of water. Yes, and we need to drink a lot of water. Now let's see what functions water performs in our body. It helps in digestion. It also helps in throwing away the waste matter from our body in the form of urine and sweat. We have read the excretory system in our body. There the water comes in a vital role. Next is it helps us to maintain our body temperature. Yes, water is very much essential to make our body temperature, because we need to maintain our body temperature properly to perform the various works. Next, water is present in food we eat. Yes, liquids we drink, and also in the vegetables and fruits. We should drink only clean and boiled water. Keep in mind, we should not drink dirty water, because dirty water can make us ill. Next is roughage. Roughage is the part of our food in which the fiber content is high. Fruits and vegetables seen in the picture are rich in fiber. Roughage helps in digestion and removal of waste material from our body. Yes, roughages are very much important because it helps us to digest the foods properly and give out the waste product from our body, so that we can maintain our body properly. Next, what are the good eating habits? Let's see. This is the chart. Let's know how we should eat properly. First, we should eat a balanced diet. Next, we must wash our hand before and after eating. Okay, because before eating your hand might be dirty, and eating dirty food you can feel ill, and after eating you should wash your hand properly to get rid of the excess amount of food stick in your hand. Next, we must eat at fixed timing, because each and every food has its own time to eat. Like, we should eat breakfast in the morning, lunch in the noon time, then tiffin in the afternoon, and our dinner at night. We should not change this order, because if you change the eating timings you can feel ill. Next, we must chew and grind the food properly before swallowing. Yes, because if we do not chew our food, it will be harder for our stomach to digest that food. So we must help our stomach to digest properly by chewing and grinding the food properly. Next, we should not talk while eating. Yes, this is very important, because if you talk while eating, your food can stuck in your food pipe and you could have a trouble. Next, we must wash fruits and vegetables well before eating them, because they can contain dirty things on it, so that we should have to wash the vegetables and fruits properly. Next, we must drink plenty of water every day. Just before this page we have discussed about the importance of water. Yes. Next, we must rinse our mouth well after eating to wash our food particles stuck in the teeth, because if the food particles stuck in your teeth for a long time, it can be cause of tooth decay. Next, we must wash our plate with soap and dry it. And lastly, we should never waste food. Okay students, these are the good eating habits, so that you can stay healthy. Okay, bye bye.